The 2026 Plymouth Barracuda marks the highly anticipated return of a legendary American muscle car, blending heritage-inspired design with cutting-edge performance and modern technology. After decades away from the spotlight, Plymouth's revival of the Barracuda is not just about nostalgia, it's about redefining what a muscle car can be in a new automotive era. This new model carries forward the raw power and aggressive personality that made the original Barracuda famous while infusing it with contemporary engineering and sustainable innovations that appeal to today's performance enthusiasts. The exterior design of the 2026 Barracuda is a striking mix of retro cues and futuristic styling. The car's muscular stance, low profile, and wide body immediately evoke the spirit of the 1970s classic. Signature elements like the split front grille, bold hood scoops, and fastback roofline pay homage to the past, while modern touches such as LED matrix headlights, aerodynamic body sculpting, and 21-inch forged alloy wheels bring it firmly into the present. Plymouth has clearly designed the Barracuda to stand out on the road. Its aggressive lines and performance-oriented silhouette make it a head-turner from every angle. Under the hood, the 2026 Barracuda offers multiple powertrain options to cater to a wide range of drivers. At the heart of the lineup is a supercharged 6.2-liter V8, producing an astonishing 720 horsepower, capable of launching the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds. For those seeking a blend of performance and efficiency, a twin-turbocharged V6 hybrid variant is available, delivering 550 horsepower with significantly improved fuel economy and reduced emissions. Plymouth is also making a bold step into the electric muscle car segment with a fully electric Barracuda, powered by a dual-motor setup generating up to 800 horsepower and offering a range of around 320 miles on a single charge. This diverse lineup ensures that the Barracuda appeals to traditional muscle car purists as well as eco-conscious drivers. Performance has been a key focus in the development of the 2026 Barracuda, and the car's chassis and suspension systems have been engineered for both track and street driving. The lightweight aluminum frame, paired with an adaptive magnetic ride suspension, ensures precise handling and cornering stability without compromising ride comfort. Brembo carbon ceramic brakes provide exceptional stopping power, while a customizable drive mode system allows drivers to fine-tune throttle response, steering weight, and suspension settings. Whether carving through winding mountain roads or tearing down a drag strip, the Barracuda delivers an exhilarating and confident driving experience. Inside, the cabin of the 2026 Plymouth Barracuda is a perfect balance of driver-focused functionality and modern luxury. High-quality materials such as Alcantara, carbon fiber, and premium leather adorn the interior surfaces. The cockpit features a 12.3-inch fully digital instrument cluster and a 15-inch central touchscreen powered by the latest Uconnect infotainment system, offering seamless smartphone integration, navigation, and advanced performance telemetry. The seating is designed to keep drivers and passengers comfortable and secure, with bolstered sports seats available in multiple color and stitching options to suit personal tastes. Despite its performance-oriented nature, the Barracuda also offers a surprisingly practical cabin with enough rear seating space for short trips and a decent trunk for everyday usability. Safety and driver assistance features have also been integrated without detracting from the pure muscle car feel. The 2026 Barracuda comes standard with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. Optional features include a 360-degree camera system and a head-up display that projects speed, navigation, and performance metrics directly onto the windshield, allowing drivers to stay focused on the road ahead. One of the most exciting aspects of the 2026 Barracuda is how it manages to preserve its raw muscle car DNA while embracing modern sustainability trends. The inclusion of hybrid and electric versions shows that Plymouth is committed to keeping the Barracuda relevant in a changing automotive landscape. For enthusiasts, this means the thrill of muscle car performance without the guilt of excessive emissions, and for the brand, it's a smart move toward securing its place in the future of high-performance vehicles. The return of the Plymouth Barracuda has been met with immense excitement from fans and collectors. It's not just another car. It's a statement that American muscle is evolving while staying true to its roots. The 2026 Barracuda offers blistering speed, jaw-dropping design, and cutting-edge technology, all wrapped in a package that pays tribute to one of the most iconic names in automotive history. For those who have long dreamed of the Barracuda's return, this new model is not just a rebirth. It's a reinvention that ensures the legend will continue to thrive for years to come.